Hey guys, welcome back. So we're looking at today's 9.1, texting by the numbers. So this first part here is looking at measures of central tendency. So Sam's test scores for the term were 60, 89, 83, 99, 95, and 60. Suppose that Sam's teacher decided to base the term grade on the mean. So mean means that we take and add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. So we're going to take 60 plus 89 plus 83 plus 99 plus 95 plus 60 and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we add all those things together and then divide by 6. When we do that, we end up getting 81. So his mean grade would be 81. Do you think this is fair? Yes. It takes all the grades into account. Now, the next one is looking at the median. So median, you need to take and line them up in numerical order and then find the middle term. And then for mode score, that's the one that appears most often. So what number repeats itself, that would be your mode. So you guys will take and answer those. And then number 4 is also about it. And number 5 is asking why teachers base their grades on means. All right, examining data distributions in a box and whisker plot. So make a box and whisker plot for the following test scores. So we have 60, 64, 68, 68, 72, 76, 76, 80, 80, 80, 84, 84, 84, 84, 88, so on and so forth. There's a lot of values there. So what we want to find is what the middle value is. So box and whisker plot really focuses on the median and then interquartile ranges. So we want to find the median of this. So like I said before, we want for median, so median, we want to take and put the numbers in numerical order and then find the middle. So there's 3 and 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. So in this case, we have two numbers that are in the middle. So we take and add these two numbers together. So we're going to take 84 plus 88 and then divide that by 2. It's supposed to be divided by 2. So when we do that, we end up with a median of 86. So come here, our median is here at 86. Now, our absolute lowest point is down here at 60, and our highest is up here at 100. Now, we want to look at from in this first half, what's the median, and in the second half, what's the median. So we are going to take and count it out again. Now I'm going to erase what we had before, all those lines, and all of these lines. So we know our median was here between, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 84 and the first 88. So we start from here and we cross off till we find the middle. So our middle here is 76. So we'll have another line here at 76. And then we do the same thing on the other end. Cross these off, find that middle. 96. So here is my box is obviously very wavy. It's not a very nice box. But here's our box. And whisker plot. So when we do this, we find the different ranges. So we look at, this is taking and finding the middle value for the lower half and the upper half. So this is the first quarter, middle, and then this is the third quarter value. So this is showing those. So for 7, how much data is represented by the box? So the box is representing 50% of the data. How much is represented by each whisker? Each whisker is 25% because 25 plus 25 is going to give us another 50. And what does the graph tell you about the student success on the test? Overall, they did well. Half had a B or higher. So overall did well. Half had a B or higher. All right. Now, using the data from the stat section, so what we just looked at, all those values for test scores, we're going to take and answer the following questions. So first we're going to make a frequency table, and then we're going to take and make a histogram. So histogram is your key word for this lesson, histogram. So the frequency, so scores between 60 and 64. Well, we've got 2 of them. So that's what that means by frequency. How many values occur between these numbers? We've got 268, so we've got 2. Between 70 and 74, we've got 1. So continue out that with the rest of those, and we're going to start a histogram with just these values. That way you guys have some to do as well. So on the side here, we want to do our frequency. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you need higher, you can take it up higher. Obviously, mine's probably scaled a little differently than yours will be. So from 60 to 64, from 60 to 64, we have a frequency of 2. Honestly, from a 60 to 70, we have a frequency of 2. Now, with the histogram, we'd actually put our line at the 65 because this first part would only exist, 65 wouldn't be included in it. We never include the high end, we only include the low end when we do these. So we do it just like so. And then for 70 to 74, we have 1. So we'd come to 1 here. And we take it over to our 75 there. And there you go. And then you'll continue this for the rest of these once you have those filled out. And then you'll answer questions 11 and 12 based on what you see highlighted in the histogram versus what's highlighted in the box and Whisker plot. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.